really nice Toyota Avensis XL estate car to show you. Very high specification. Lovely car this. Locally owned. It was Toyota, pre-registered, and then father and son. Really nice car. Drives super. Let's start here at the back corner and show you around. So we've got factory privacy glass. It's got a detachable tow bar. It's got a rear camera. And I say, really nice condition. 18-inch alloy wheels, all the tyres good. Just check the windscreen, there's no stone chip damage. It's got the glass panoramic roof. LED headlights. I'll go steady across the front. You'll find one or two little tiny touched in stone chips at this age, but there's a couple there. Bonnet's all good. Say full service history. Got all the old MOTs here, receipts in the pack, all the handbook pack. 2 keys, Toyota service history, so it was bought from Burrows in Doncaster, Toyota, and I say father and son, 6 services there, done by Toyota, last one done 1st of the 9th, 2023, and that was done at 53,996, so it's had 6 services, all Toyota. Right, we go down this side. No dings. Wheels are in nice condition, say graphite grey colour. It's got the rear bumper plinth there. Let's open the tailgate and show you the boot. Again, all nice and clean in here. Have no dogs in the back. All nice. Underneath here we've got a space saver wheel, and then at the back of the boot we've got the jack and things in a container. Right, I'll just stand back, give you a side view, and then I'll show you the interior. Start in the back. So it's a full black leather with a lighter stitch, the rear armrest there with cup holders and Isofix belt fittings, child seat fittings, over carpet mats, really nice. Electric blind there for the glass roof. Right, moving to the front. Seat positions on memory. Electric lumbar support, so fully electric seats. Seats are all nice, perforated in the centres. Mileage today 54,782. Power folding mirrors, button engine start. Gearbox is a 6-speed manual. Heated seats there. It's got navigation, so it's a really nice spec. Front carpet mat's not in there, we've just had them washed, they're drying. So there we go, if you're after a nice, reliable Toyota estate car with good ownership, full Toyota history, there we go. Any questions? If you'd like to give us a call at the showroom, we'll answer any questions for you. If you'd just like to come and see it, have a drive. Super car, this one. Thanks for watching.